How do you model this? Start by creating a basic sphere primitive. Press T to bring up the manipulator tool. Change the subdivision height and axis both to 16. Switch to face mode and delete the bottom half faces of the sphere. From the top view, select these edges and delete them. Use the multi-cut tool to connect the edge loops. Go back to face mode and delete the remaining half faces, leaving only a quarter sphere. Go to the mirror tool options. Mirror the object across the z-axis, then y-axis with merge threshold to a very low value to prevent extra edges from merging. Smooth the entire object with a division level of 1. Select these edges, the one defining the basketball's signature curve pattern, and bevel them. In face selection mode, select the faces created by the bevel operation. Extrude inward, which creates the deep rubber groove of the basketball. Press 3 to view the smooth division result. And that's the full process of modeling basketball inside Maya.